Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can choose other photo and video folders to backup on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on accounts and backup. Next, go down to Google Drive and tap on backup data. In here, make sure that you turn on backup by Google OneDrive, and then we go down and tap on photos and videos. In here, if you swipe up to go down to the bottom, tap on backup device folders. Now by default, the pictures folder will be turned on, so everything else is switched off. So you can go in here and select which one you want to turn on to backup. So you can see on my device I have a copy folder, documents, downloads, and some other folders, which can also be turned on to allow backup of the folders onto Google Drive. At a later point, you can download them or restore them back to your device if you set up a new device again. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button or the back button at the top here, and it will tell you which folder are being set to backup at the bottom here. And finally, you can just tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.